just honest travel. Welcome to the Honest Travel Guide. So welcome. We have booked a 2-bedroom apartment in the high zone, and it's a premier apartment. So we have 2 bedrooms. I will show you the first bedroom first. So this is the smallest one. It's a double. And then we have a closet right here for all your clothings. It's also at the other side. Then we're going to check the small bathroom. It's over here. You see, we have a toilet, a sink, and a walk-in shower. And then we're going to the living room. It's very spacious. But first, we have the kitchen over here. It's a fully equipped kitchen with a fridge and a refrigerator. If you would like to cook, it is possible, but it is not necessary. And if you have dirty clothes, you can also put them in the washing machine. Then we have over here the dining area. It's spacious enough for 4 people. Water is for free. It's available. You can order it online. And then we have here the living area with a sofa and a couch. And a television. And then we have from top to floor windows with a view over the city of Kuala Lumpur. And if we have a look to our right side, we see the Petronas Towers over there. Then I'm going to show you the master bedroom. It's just here, through this door. And then we have a big double bed. It's also very spacious. Big television on the wall. And also beautiful view. Also over here, we have a closet to put in all your luggage. Even you have an iron for your clothings or to dry your hair. And then we have an ensuite bathroom. It's with a sink, a toilet, and also a shower. So this is spacious enough. Every room has equipment like shampoo and a toothbrush. You can even order online bathrobes for if you want to use the pool on the top floor. It's on floor 53, and we are going to show that to you later. It's also all equipped with air conditioning, so it's very cool inside, because outside it's very warm. And then we have a door over here, so it's not a balcony, but let me show you. This is the area where the air conditionings are stored. So it's not a special outdoor part for us. So I hope I can I gave you a good idea about what this apartment is like. It's good for 4 persons, but also for 2. It's very spacious and situated very good in the city center of Kuala Lumpur. So I'm going to show you next the top floor with the rooftop pool.